Let's do a quick unit circle review. That's what your quiz is going to be on today, what you've learned so far. Okay. First thing, you remember the unit circle, the definition. The circle centered at the origin with radius 1. We need to recall that positive angles rotation rotate counterclockwise. And negative angles rotate clockwise. Since this is a circle centered at radius 1, this is the point 1, 0, which reminds us that the sine of an angle is its y coordinate on the unit circle. And the cosine of an angle is its x coordinate on the unit circle. And the tangent of an angle is the sine of that angle divided by the cosine of that angle. And then the reciprocal identity is just following. You flip the sine to get the secant, flip the cosine to get the flip the sine to get the cosecant, flip the cosine to get the secant, and flip the tangent to get the cotangent. So now, let's fill in what we know. Recall the angles. This is a 0-degree angle. Then we have 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120, 135, 150, 180, 210, 220, whoops, I thought I had this labeled. This should be 210, and this is 225, and 240, 270, 300, 315, 330, and we get back to here, we're at a 360-degree angle. On all the axes, these points, the cosine and sine, x and y coordinates, these are easy because the circle has radius 1. So the sine of 360 is 0, the cosine of 360 is 1, sine of 90 is 1, cosine is 0, sine of 180 is 0, cosine of 180 is negative 1, sine of 270 is negative 1, and cosine of cosine of 270 is 0. And recall that any coterminal angle with these has the same sine and cosine. Now, you can remember the triangle proofs that we did before. You can look back at the videos. But we can recall that this is the square root of 3 over 2, and the sine is the 1/2. And here, at the 45-degree angle, we have cosine is square root of 2 over 2, sine is square root of 2 over 2. And in the 60-degree angle, the cosine is 1/2, and the sine is the square root of 3 over 2. We can use symmetry and what we know about the quadrants of the circle. We know that the x-coordinate is positive and the y-coordinate is positive in the first quadrant. In the second quadrant, we know that the x-coordinate is negative and the y-coordinate is positive. In the third quadrant, we know that both x and y coordinates are negative. In the fourth quadrant, we know that the cosine is positive and the sine is negative. And because the circle is symmetric, we can take these values and go right across the circle and just change the SIG in sine when we need to. So 120 degrees, cosine is negative 1/2, sine is square root of 3 over 2. 135 degrees, cosine is negative square root of 2 over 2, sine is square root of 2 over 2. 150 degrees, cosine is negative square root of 3 over 2, and the cosine is 1/2. Symmetry again lets us come down with these and just change the SIGNs as we need to. So 210, negative square root of 3 over 2, negative 1/2. 225 has negative square root of 2 over 2, negative square root of 2 over 2. And 240 degrees has negative 1/2, negative square root of 3 over 2. Again, symmetry lets us come straight down with these and only change the SIGN signs. So 60-degree angle, if there's the 300-degree angle, has 1/2 for cosine, negative square root of 3 over 2 for sine. 315-degree angle has square root of 2 over 2 and negative square root of 2 over 2 for cosine and sine. And 330 degrees has square root of 3 over 2 and negative 1/2 for cosine and sine. And so far, that's what we've learned about the unit circle.